Hello, and welcome to the pit stop. Today, we are going to be running stuff over with the Blue Bandit. So to start things out, I've got this 2-liter of water. Huh. Isn't that ironic? Okay, well, since the crush defied all odds, this time we have Dr. Pepper, but it's water again, because I'm a cheapskate. But what's ironic about this one is, there's nothing ironic about it. Alright, now we've got Mountain Dew. Okay, I'm not even gonna waste your time. You know, it's ironic in some strange way. Well, that probably wasn't so great for that entire front drivetrain, but let's do something else. Okay, so I've got some miscellaneous stuff. This little plastic thing, I'm sure it's just gonna smash into bits. And then I've got this little quad here that I stole from a little kid. Ah. Alright guys, next I've got this giant glass jar. And no, cause the glass. Okay, so this is actually something that I think would be very interesting. This is a military, like, canteen thing. It's supposed to be like, you know, I mean, they use these things out in places. This is a military canteen that actually, I stole this one from a, okay, but this is actually like a good test. Like, is it actually like military grade? Is it like actually tough? We shall see. No! No! It's like flat as a pancake. Oh man, guys, I thought if anything was gonna survive, it would be... Oh. If anything was gonna survive, I thought it would be this, but... Oh. Man, that's disappointing. Alright guys, thanks for watching, but if you want this canteen, it's like, you know, all squashed and pretty much useless. But if you want this canteen, I mean, the little bag thing is kind of good, other than the tread marks and stuff. But if you want this and you live within, like, I don't know, if you live in Michigan, I live in Michigan, so if you live in Michigan, I could probably send it to you. I don't know if that would work, if you could just, like, put your address in the comments. I don't know if that's something you could do, or if you'd get, like, scammed and stuff. If you feel comfortable putting your address in the comments, then go for it, and I'll send it to that address if it's in, like, Michigan. So yeah, if you want this thing, I'll send it to you. It's useless, but it's free. Alright. Alright guys, I will see you next time, and the Blue Bandit will be in the next video. Maybe. You could probably hear it. My truck is actually running very low on power steering, so I'm gonna go fill it up. So I gotta... Bye. Just